How's it going, everybody? We are back here with the sexy kid, Abram Moore. We're at this new pond. I'm sitting on a bench about to throw a frog, maybe retie. But there's no trespassing, fishing, and like doing any of that sign. I just put my fishing bag over it so nobody can read it. So yeah, so basically we're just gonna fish, see if we can get it done. I don't know, this is my like 7th time filming an intro because we fished like 7 different ponds and got nothing. So we've got about 30 minutes to fish here. Let's see if we can make it happen. All right, let's go. So first thing I see is I saw a fish jump. And I see moss. So I'm gonna try to throw a frog here. Like I said, there's no fishing sign. I just put my fishing bag over. So hopefully nobody like asks, what does that sign say? I don't know. Bro, I always manage to get hooked on something. It actually gets me big angry.
I really just want to make a video, so we're just going to get straight to fishing to start off.
Oh, that's a fish right there.
That frog might honestly just pop off of it.
I'm kind of hoping it does.
You said you stopped fishing there, right?
Yeah.
What did you catch it on?
Oh, I just got... Oh my god, I just got tapped. Did you see that? Okay. No, we catch something right here. Trust me. You just gotta believe. Okay, well, I guess I'm switching. It's a black and blue Goon trench hog. Or black and blue something. Yep, there we go. Fish spotted. Ate that little thing. Might just be a little fish though. No, not yet.
I caught a 4-pounder out of here 2 weeks ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, we're trying to,
I was throwing a black and blue Guggen Baits trench hog.
Really?
Yep.
Nice. I love Guggen baits. They're so good. My favorite.
All right, well, good luck, man.
Thank you. Guggen baits trench hog. 4-pounder. I'm gonna have to switch that. Alright, we've got a white and green slim shake worm. I think it should work. It's got really good action. It's pretty light. It'll fall slow. I think we should be able to get a bite here. That's a turtle. I'll give it a little cast under here. And just hope. Abe caught a fish on a Senko. So, you know, might work, why not? Oh, yep, just got tapped. Yep. Let's go. That's a freaking small fish. Yeah. Slim shake worm. No, I already released it. It was small. Alright, well, that's good. First fish. I'm telling you, man. Slim shape worm. I think it'll work. I let him kind of sit with it. Just to be careful. One dude said he caught a 4-pounder. So I'm hoping Maybe we can catch a 4-pounder. I wish I cast like trash like 2 times. That's big. Just saying, that's low. Alright, just tied on it. Oh, I just got tapped. That's fish. No, it's not. You see your shirt? Yeah, it is. What the frick? What? I'm so confused. Oh, I'm so confused. I just got hit and like picked it up again. And I like it didn't pick it up again. And I don't even know, bro. That was so confusing. Yeah, see? There it is. No, that's a fish. It's a fish. Let's go. First cast, babe. Well, second cast, I guess. But another fish. Yeah. It's so relieving. Buddy's really trying to get me hooked. Okay. Okay. So, second fish of the day. A little bit bigger. Not the worst fish. We're going to let him go. So we're upping in size. Nice healthy fish. Very hungry. That's good. That's good. We've got 2 fish on the board. It's pretty nice. Let's have him. Nice. It's not. Okay, we're good. Oh, do I have a fish on there? Yeah, I do. How do I have a fish on there? That's so strange. About the same size. That's so weird. Actually, no, this is bigger. Probably 1/4 pound. Maybe pushing 1, maybe pushing a half. No, that's 1/2 pound. Not chunky. Biggest fish of the day, though. Nah, that's better. Yeah, it's a good fish. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's go, dude. That's so sick. He's about, I don't know. Not that bad, though. Definitely nice to finally catch them, figure out what they're eating. We'll probably give this guy a proper release. Sweet. 3 fish. 2 in the trench hog. I love it. Love the trench hog. So, that's good. To figure that out early. It's actually really good. Really confused what I did. Okay, there we go. Alright, sweet. I brought a pack of trench hogs just in case. Because I figured probably need them. Now, there's probably another fish right here. Yep. Nope. I lied. Trench hog. Yeah. They're all so small, though. So I was just editing a video, and I kind of forgot that I forgot to film an intro. Thank you guys for watching all the way through of today's video. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way through. You know, it helps me out a lot. It tells me that you guys like the video. So, you know, today we fished pretty good. We caught 3 fish. They're kind of small, but you know, we were able to find them after such a hard day of fishing. Like, we literally didn't catch anything that whole time. So being able to target those fish and find them, being able to catch them is super sweet. If you liked today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and you know, just comment down below what you think. And yeah, with all that being said, make sure to go check Abe's video on his channel. His channel is called Abram Moore. He posted the same thing, the same video as me, just obviously his version. So make sure to go check that out. With all that being said, see you guys in the next one.